In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are going to learn the connection between the finding the distance between 2 points and Pythagoras theorem. For example, there are 2 points. This is point A, point B. So this point can be on the graph anywhere, or can be on the grid. There are 2 points. What is the distance between point A and B? So we can use the distance formula. So for example, point A is given 2, 7. Point B is 5, 3. Okay. So what is the rule? First of all, we need to know what is the rule, what is the formula to find the distance between 2 points. So the distance is equal to the change in x. This is x coordinate, x1. This is x2. This is y coordinate, y1. This is y2. The change in x2 minus x1 square, plus change in y, the distance between y. So y2 minus y1 square and whole square root. This is the rule. We will follow this rule and we will find. So what is x2, which is 5, minus x1 2 square, plus y2, which is 3, minus y1, which is 7, and square root. After that, 5 minus 2, which is equal 3 and square, plus 3 minus 7, which is minus 4 and square. So after that, 3 square, which is equal 9, plus 4 square, which is equal 16. So 16 plus 9, which is equal 25 and square root. The square root of 25, which is 5. So the distance is 5 between these 2 points. It depends. So because the points, the coordinates, it is about the centimeter or kilometer, whatever the units they use. So according to that, we will get the answer. So we write the unit with that distance. So now I will go back to our main topic. What is the relation? What is the connection between the distance and the Pythagoras theorem? The distance of 2 points and Pythagoras theorem. So first of all, Pythagoras theorem we use for the right angle triangle. Now we will find the connection, our main topic, between the distance of 2 point and the Pythagoras theorem. So this is a grid. We will choose any 2 points. For example, I'll choose this point, first one, 4, 5, and here I choose 1 and 2. These are the 2 points which I chose here. Okay, in these 2 points, this is point A, this is point B. So what are the coordinates of A? Coordinates of A 4, 5. Coordinates of B 1 and 2. Okay, for Pythagoras theorem we use right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, it will be like this. So what is this? This side mean x2 minus x1, and this side mean y2 minus y1. So what is here? X1 is this one, which is 1, and x2, which is 4 minus 1. And about here, what is y2, which is equal 5, minus what is y1, which is equal 2. Okay, so the Pythagoras theorem is the hypotenuse, because this is hypotenuse square, which is equal one side 4 minus 1, which is equal 3 square, plus this side 5 minus 2, which is also 3 square, and square root. So 3 square, which is 9, plus 9 and square root. So x square, which is equal 18 and square root. Clear? So this is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now we will use the distance formula to find see the answer. It should be same, because it is a connected Pythagoras theorem, and the distance between 2 points, they are connected with each other. So distance formula we learned already: x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square and square root. So this is the point x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2, which is equal 4 minus 1 and square, plus y2, which is equal 5 minus 2 and square root. 4 minus 1, 3 and square. 5 minus 2, square. 5 minus 2, which is equal 3. So 3 square and square root, which is equal 3 square 9 plus 3 square 9 and square root. So 9 plus 9, which is equal 18 square root. So 18 square root, 18 square root. It is same. It means they are connected connected with each other. The distance between 2 points and the Pythagoras theorem. So if you have any question about this video, about this lecture, you can ask me in personal or in the comment. Thank you so much for watching.